I'm Deborah with WTI. This is the GPET dog bowl, and this is a stainless steel with a rubber base. Now, what I like about this bowl, first of all, is the size. So because I have two different size dogs, this is actually a great bowl for my small dog. It's perfect size for him. What I like about this bowl as well is that it comes with this rubber band, or rubber base. So that's something that helps avoid it moving around when he's eating. So no matter what surface you put it on, you don't have to worry about it sliding around. Another thing that I like is that it comes in a set of two. So I actually have one for his water and one to be able to put his food. And because it's made out of stainless steel, it's really easy to clean up afterwards. I don't have to worry about it getting rusty. So I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.